Welcome to CCK Smart Kids Workshop. Now today we're going to do some 3D drawing in a software which is called tinkercad. So all the computers should be logged into tinkercad. Now what we're going to draw today, we're going to draw a pokeball, which is one of the most famous appliances in the animation pocket mall. Now let's press create new. You can see that there's a workplace. If you press the right button, then you can rotate easily the right button. Now, what shape we're going to use today? We're going to use cylinder, box, half sphere, and ring to build up a pocket ball. Let's start it. Let's press half sphere out. After you draw your first figure on a work plan, you can see that there's some white dot on there. When you press it, you can see there's some number. That is the dimension of the object. Now try to enter the number 80 and again. You can change the shape of the object. After that, rotate it slightly with the right button of the mouse. Click on it, we'll enter 40. Then you got a perfect circle, perfect sphere. Let's repeat the dimension. The height is 40, while the width and length of the sphere is 80. Let's work here. Now, as you can see, with the pocket ball, there's a hole inside the sphere. So how can we do it? This time we try to copy the object after we choose it and place it, and you can see that it's the same sphere here. But this time we don't want the object to be that big. So what could we do? We make it smaller. Press the right button, change it to 73. Sorry, I mean 74. 74 and 74 again. After you change the dimension of the lower part, you should also change the height of the sphere. That is 37. Okay, now you get a smaller sphere. So this time we're going to make a hole. Whenever you draw shape, there's two options. You either make a solid part or a hole. This time I want a hole, so we click on hole, and you can see that the sphere becomes transparent. So after that, we choose both objects, and we use the function align. Let's press the align. And you can see that there is some small spots here. So when we press the center spot, that means we want them to be aligned at the center. And press this button as well. And you can see that the hole is well placed at the center of the sphere. And we group it together. Okay, now you can see that the sphere is have a hole be placed under it, exactly at the center of the sphere. After that, we are going to dig a cylindrical hole on this direction. Let's take out a cylinder, and then we are going to change the dimension. We change it to 26 and 26. Okay. And then we are trying to make it become a hole. Now look at that. After we make this dimension, you can see that there is some arrow on each side. Choose the arrow. Press the mouse left button and rotate until it's 90 degrees. Okay. Now choose both objects. Do alignment, center alignment, front alignment, Oh, now the spear is high under there a little bit. Move it out. It seems a little bit too big, right? And then we'll move it, do the alignment again, center, okay? And then we move the spear just, okay, we'll do the alignment again, center. And then we try to roll it until it feels like it is at the center of the spear. A little bit lower. Okay, that will be perfect. And then we choose both of them. Again, we're going to group them together. Now you can see that is a hole here. And we put the spear here. It's almost done. Now we're going to draw a ring on here. Okay. We're going to draw a boss on here. We should move the spear a little bit upward until it touches the surface. Now we draw a boss here to make another hole for it. Now draw 90 and 90 on here. Put under here. Before that, we adjust the height. The height should be $6 mm will be good enough. And then we put the box under the spear. Choose it become a hole. And then you choose both object and group them. Now you got the first half of the spear. And that looks so nice. Okay, here come the ring. Let's draw a ring here. So let's change the size. The size should be 15 mm. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. I mean 73 mm. 3 mm. Okay, and I will do it once again. The size is 73 times 73, and height should be 15. Press enter. Okay, now we got the ring and got the semicircle, right? And that's almost the end of the session. Now we draw one more this. One more cylinder for the small this. That should be 20. Yes, 20 mm is correct. 20 mm, and the height should be 5 mm. And we try to change it into white color. We change the ring into dark color. We change the hat into red color and copy it and place it. And we make one more to be white color. Now it seems that all objects are almost here. Now we're going to assemble the object. First of all, we choose the right color of the ball and we try to rotate it for 90 degree or 180 degree. And then we try to flip the circle upward and we change the wheel as well. Now we are going to put these three objects in together. Choose a line, center circle, center circle. And now what you need to do is that you move the object a little bit up and down to make them stick together. More stick together. If the ring is a little too small, we make it 30. That should be bigger. Yeah, 30. Now you got this. And then we rotate this and change the direction. Move it upward. And move it a little bit. You may try to adjust it until it fits to the face. Okay? Now thank you for watching the video, and we have done with that. You can try to adjust it until in the perfect position. Now you got the Pokemon ball as you see from the demonstration. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.